ebm-papst.
Inovance.
I think these reciprocal visits are a great example of a strong relationship that has been built between our two companies over the years.
Welcome to the Roadshow.
Through our previous product deliveries, Inovance has built strong recognition and trust in our products and solutions within ebm-papst. The Inovance Roadshow provided a great opportunity for us to introduce our latest technologies, products, and solutions to ebm-papst in a more comprehensive and engaging way.
ebm-papst brings global expertise in air technology, thermal management, while Inovance has developed impressive strengths in automation, digitalization, system integration, and local customer support. Their ability to respond quickly to market needs, provide localized solutions, and support customers throughout the entire project lifecycle has been particularly valuable.
Looking ahead, we see 4 key areas for deeper collaboration: joint technology development, smart manufacturing collaboration, co-development of industrial application scenarios, integrated solution development. We also have great opportunities to grow business together in overseas markets across APAC, the Middle East, Africa, Europe, and the Americas. We can better support each other and serve customers together.
为突破而生。
为专技术，为突破而生。